my dear friends, welcome to another video. I hope you guys are well. It's a beautiful day today on our homestead and we are doing extremely well. It's a very busy day for us. We have lots of errands to run. We have some orders to fulfill, and so today is going to be a productive day video. I'm starting the video with some prepping for tomorrow's dinner, and I'm just preparing because I want to have everything on hand so that things can be done quickly. When I have days that is very busy, I need to have things prepared and ready so I can cook fast, so I can get along with my work. So this is exactly what I'm doing here. This is some tilapia fish. This is one of my favorite fish, and I find that when you marinate it the day before you cook it, then all the flavors get in and it tastes better. I am trying this new seasoning. I tried it before and it was really good, so I went back a second time to try it again. I think this one is a little bit hotter, but anyways, it's very tasty. So I'm putting it on my fish, and I'm gonna put this fish in the fridge. We're gonna fry that up tomorrow for our dinner. So we are going to move on to the next task of the day, which is getting products ready to be delivered. And so this one has to be delivered first. So we were getting this one ready so that we can take it first, because this one, it's going to be on the way. So we're going to get that one ready, and everything else that is not for today will be done another day. So that's exactly what we're doing. I tend to put the products in the bottles, and my husband is the one who puts the label on. He cuts everything out. He prints and cut the labels out, and he labels the bottles and jars and whatever we are shipping out. So it's a teamwork, and this works really well for us, and that's how we run our business. So I am making an annatto infusion. Many people use annatto to color their food, like to color their rice or to color their meat, or just in culinary things. But we use annatto for many different things. Annatto has many different functions. You can drink it. It's good internally and externally. Growing up as a child in the Caribbean, we had a huge annatto tree in our yard, and we use it for everything, like especially it with cooking. But something that I don't see a lot is people using annatto for the skin and the hair. Now, I like to use annatto on my face. I just mix it with coconut oil and I leave it to infuse for a couple of days, and then I take the seeds off, and then the coconut oil becomes hard. You can add other things like shea butter or cocoa butter with it, but I just like the coconut oil because it works really well with my skin, and I just use that all over my skin. Now this helps to keep your face acne free, and it also helps with fine lines, and it's very moisturizing. I don't know if it's because of the annatto, but the annatto add some extra like moisture with it, and it keeps my face very moisturized, so I always make this to put on my face. I will have to wrap up all the shows that I'm doing for today because we are heading out. We're taking a trip as a family, and so we got to get going. But I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of the next video for our trip, and I will see you in that video. Take care. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Be positive. Bye.